Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to test an API with the help of Postman. So if you are having any public or maybe private or a protected API, especially this example I'm going to show you, like if you are having a API which is having the username and the password as the basic authentication, then how can you get the response from that API and how can you see what is there inside that one. So basically it's like how to test the API on the Postman. So it's very simple. You just need to go to the Google and you just need to search like Postman. Okay, so if you search Postman, then here will be the first link, Postman API platform. It will ask for simple sign up with your email. Then you just need to do that one and you will be redirected here. Okay, so initially you will be present here and you need to click on workspace, or maybe like if you are just home, then click on team workspace. Then it will just open up this window and here there will be a plus icon. Just click on that one. You can close this, of course. So here we are. So there will be a lot of options in API. One is to get the information, that is get. Another one is to put some information in a database through the API, that will be post. And again put will be used for this same. And patch is like some modification in the data. Delete is of course for the delete. Copying, head, and these are all high level options which we need not to use. Okay, so there will be basically put, get, delete, and update. Okay, so these kind of things will be there. So in this one most of the things APIs will be used for getting the data, that is to just copy the data and bring it to the whatever wherever we want to use. Okay, so now what we need the URL for the API which the API provider has given us. And then you might be thinking like, where is the authentication is here guys. So just click on authentication and you don't see a username password, right? So here are the options: inherit authentication from some other API, no authentication, API key bearer token, JWT bearer, basic authentication. So if you are having token, then you can go with this one, API key. Okay, so some APIs are like, this is the API URL and this is the key for using that API, like that. But some providers will give like username and the password. So in my case I will go with username and password just to show you a demo. So here I will go with basic authentication, and by that time it will just ask me for username and the password. So you need to enter the usernames and passwords here, and you need to enter the URL. So I will just quickly do that thing. Okay, cool. So I have given the username and the password, and it's time to send the request. Okay, so once we send the request, then we will be getting the data, and you can see here we have got the data. Okay, so here is the data which is over here. Okay, so data we have got, and of course like if you want to see it in XML, there is XML, there is JSON, and there is HTML, and also a lot of options are there. So if you want to get the code, then you can click on this and you can get the code very easily. Okay, so there are a lot of options like which one you want. If you want it in JavaScript, fetch with the fetch method, or in jQuery method, JavaScript XHR method, like that. So it will give a bunch of options here. I mean, I can't say bunch of, it's each and everything, whatever you want, it's present here. So that's all. Like if you want to send the data, then you can send and download. So this is the get method, this is the post and all. So these are all the things which are available for people to use on the Postman for free. Okay, so that's all in this video guys, and if you have got any doubts or if you are facing any errors, like a lot of guys will be facing CROS error, cross origin resource sharing. So on that also we are very I mean, there are a lot of helpful videos which I have done previously, so you can definitely check it out. The link is there in the description. Otherwise, if you have got any questions also, feel free to ask in the comment and we will try to help you max. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.